Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace Volkswagen Touareg rear hatch struts. Support the hatch with a sturdy prop or a helper, then remove the old struts at the ball joint clips. Work on one side at a time and keep track of any washers or clips. Compare old and new strut lengths and force ratings before installation. Reattach clips securely and test the hatch slowly to confirm smooth operation and correct support. Start by opening the hatch fully and securing it with a prop or helper. Remove the plastic covers if present and use a flat screwdriver to lift the retaining clip on the ball joint. Work one side at a time and keep hands clear of the hinge path. Once the clip is free, gently pull the strut off the ball stud and let it down slowly. Store the old strut for parts comparison later. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: there is a book called The Simple Path to Wealth that can change how you think about money, and I found it surprisingly relevant when planning repairs and budgets. Check the description for the link and other deals, then grab a coffee. Now let's get back to the video. Position the new strut so the piston rod faces the hatch and the body mounts to the vehicle. Align the socket over the ball stud and push until you hear a definitive click indicating the clip engaged. Repeat for the opposite side and ensure both clips are seated. Remove the prop or have your helper release their hold while you slowly test the hatch. Adjust or recheck clips if you feel binding or uneven support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.